What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing this Katelyn solar lamp from Devidayal Solar Solutions. I got this package from Devidayal Solar Solutions and they asked me to review it, and I was not, this package alone cost around 3,500, but I was never keen of buying such thing, and I had no idea where I would use this. So today I got an idea that I would use it on my fish tank. So let's unbox it, shall we? Okay, so we shall unbox the package now and let's see what do we have in there. Okay, nice. Uh, we have the manual. We probably don't need that. We have some wires and adapters, and they have its switches. Nice. We have got some attachments and extensions. There is a USB cable too, so that you can charge your phone. Then we have the charge controller and 3 LED bulbs. Nice. Then then we have the solar panel itself. This, this, and these. These 3 or 4 items, I guess, are the main components. That one over there doesn't, fulfill any of our needs. So let's assemble that and I'll show you how it works. So I'll assemble all these items and show you. Okay, so first of all, let's open up the solar panel. Nice. Let's hear the specifications. It's a 6-watt panel. Maximum power voltage is 5.85 volts. Maximum power current is 1.02 ampere. Open circuit voltage is 7 volts. The maximum fuse rating is 3 amperes. It weighs around 0.7 kg. And they are class A application, and solar cells used are grade A. And fire safety class, it stands C. So, this here. Now, we have the charge controller. As you can see, there are 3 ports over here for the bulbs, I guess. This one is for the solar panel, and here we have the USB port. Oh, what is here? Oh, the 5200 mAh batteries. I don't know why they're there. Yeah, I have to charge this on my hand. Am I dumb? No. The bulbs have to be connected like this. There goes second bulb. And now for the third bulb. Sorry for the sound of noise. Got some work going on in the house. Ta-da! Wow. They have nice intensity. They're LED bulbs, so I don't expect much. But I think it will illuminate my tanks pretty well, as my tanks are not that deep. So let's see. Okay, so I've set up the lights. I've used a makeshift light hanger. As you can see, it is not very stable, but it's a makeshift thing, so should work nicely. And don't mind the scratches on my tank. My tank is pretty old. So let's show you how it looks without the room lights. Nice, eh? This has a battery backup of around 8 hours as it says on the box. Let's test it out. I guess it's fully charged, but who knows. There's my turtle crash over there with a dead Molly. Thanks for watching.